Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Finding the average of a list seems easy, but this Java code has a sneaky bug hiding in the initialization. Let's fix it fast together. Look closely at line 4 where the sum starts at the first element of the list. Then the enhanced for loop immediately adds that same first element again during the first iteration. Because the first item is added twice, your total sum will always be too high. To get an accurate average, we must start our sum at 0 before the loop begins running. Changing the starting value to 0.0 ensures every element is counted once. This makes option B the only logical choice for a perfect fix. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid ignoring initial values and always trust given logic to check steps.